Politics se akhoi gi oina di yam chamna hai tare akhoi da di hojik laijari di achumba tawwa haibsina politics ni na loji.
Politics means truth. This is the response of the Aam Aadmi Party when asked by Impact News, how does the party define politics? The political party, which came into existence in Manipur in March 2013, says it would put an end to corruption and VIP culture in Manipur.
Aduma akhoi candidate singsina magi akhoi kanoji declaration ama adum already loimak ngasi candidate oini na thajal eibu singsina moina form je thajal ma ton declaration ama yawi akhoi gi da first of all masida yawi jing asagi ma red beacon slide lowroi then security akhoi lowroi haibina singmasi already my declaration da dum lo yaw khra nga tani.
At least 5 persons have applied for AAP Manipur ticket for the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, and more than 5,000 persons have so far been enrolled in the party. The party is yet to decide whether it would support the Third Front or not, but the people of the state are skeptic about the party's stand on corruption and VIP culture in Manipur.
Masi akhoi hana election hogi bagi party atain so corruption muthatpa adagi Manipur dagi corruption mapung phana haidi karen maru phang muthatpa ise adum hairaga lae adubo Manipur dadi Delhi dadi hoji khara khara di hogre de haidu Manipur dadi makoi na harje kay amna thaja ga dorna haidu di makoi thabak oina pangthora kana khangba haibaduni
Manipur di akhoi corruption na maru thapuna mathakre ha jai thaja ngamde maramdi akhoi bu thok corruption ne ai thaja bidako.
The AAP Manipur believes that it would give an impact to all the political parties, but the people are still waiting to see the party's impact on national parties like the Congress, the BJP and the Third Front. Will the AAP Manipur get the confidence of the people in their fight against corruption and VIP culture? In Imphal with camera person Bishorjit, this is Raman Dalai Sangthem, Impact News.